Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my another Bitcoin caption chart. Today I am to show the Bitcoin graph, how's the market going on. So let's start. First of all, I am on the 1-day chart. In 1-day chart you can see the market is going to down. If I go to 1-hour chart, you can see the market is going to down. If I go to 2-hour chart, in 2-hour chart market is also going to down. If I go to 3-hour chart, in 3-hour chart market is going to up. If I go to 4-hour chart, in 4-hour chart you can notice the market is going to down. If I go to 1-minute chart, you can see when the market is going to up. If I go to 5-minute chart, in 5-minute chart market is going to down. If I go to 30-minute chart, in 30-minute chart market is going to up. If I go to 45-minute chart, in 45-minute chart market is going to down. So it's so difficult where the market going on, but I have a thought about the market. We can calculate it by 2 hour, because here is 2 is nearby. So if I take a scale, here is 2 scale. In 2 scale you can see the market, first peak is market is going to up, and that is the second peak, market is going to down. So I think the market going to down and go to that place. I think market go to down. If you know the good prediction, comment below and share your idea. I think it will helpful for my viewers. Now I can discuss about the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 18,782.30 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is on BTC is equal to 18,780.82.30 USD. I hope everybody like the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Also share with your friends. Thank you.